Hi. Most of my videos have been about chasing accuracy, and I made an assumption, which turned out bad. I assumed this tailstock was pretty good. And anyways, I'm set up on the tailstock spindle, I guess. And here you go. You can see that I got about 7 thousandths cant or offset. Not an offset. It's a twist in the tailstock. I'm puzzling how to correct this. You know, the problem is if you start out with the work close to and having it locked up makes a difference too. But if you start out with the work close to the tailstock and you've set your alignment there, then it's fine. But I do some drilling with a chuck in the tailstock, like a lot of you guys do. So, what am I going to do with this? It comes to mind I need a milling machine that I can set up accurately to remachine the base and probably the upper part as well to make it right. I'd appreciate any comments. Anyways, there you go. Have fun.